Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. So, we have completed our chapter number 1. So, this is going to be our third class of class 2 maths. Today, we'll study chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is numbers. So, we have to read the numbers. In class 1, you have already read one digit number, that is single digit number, and two digit numbers. So today in this class we'll start with 3 digits number. So 3 digits number starts from 100. We have read till 99. Plus 1 is equal to 100. So 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. As we have seen in class 1, this is one side and this is 10th side. Okay, so in this chapter we'll read about ones, tens and hundreds. 1, 0, 0. So this is 3 digit number, whereas 99 is 2 digit number. So 99 is the largest 2 digit number and 100 is the smallest 3 digits numbers. So 3 digit number starts from 100. Now after 100, same way we have to continue counting. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. So we will read it in the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the same. Only we have reached till 100. So we'll do 100, 100 along with that. See, this I have shown you just now in copy. This ones, tens and 100. See, numbers on an abacus. An abacus will help us to learn about counting numbers beyond 99, means more than 99. So more than 99 it will be ones, tens and 100. Okay, see. Yes, ones, tens and 100. 99, there are 99 spike, 99. Beats are there. Okay, in ones spike there are 9. In tens spike there are 9 beats. So this becomes 99. When we add one more beats in that, it becomes 100. So 100 will be one spike in the place of 100. So it becomes 100. In the same way, some more examples. Now we have reached 100. Okay, so no need of doing. Now this is over. 99 plus 1 beats is equal to 100. Now our counting starts with 100 place. See, ones, tens and 100. So now our counting starts with 100 place. Now when we have to show in abacus, this will becomes 103. Suppose this is 103. So in 100 there is 1. After that 0. So in tens place there will be nothing. And in ones place 3. This is ones, tens and 100. So in hundreds place 1 beats, tens place 0, no beats, ones place 3 beats. So this becomes 103. In the same manner, we'll read till any number of 3 digits. After 100, we will reach 200 also, 300 also. When 199 comes, when we reach 199 and will plus again 1, so this will become 200. In the same way, when we reach 299, will plus 1, this will comes to 300. Okay, in the same way we'll move forward. See here, 342. ones, tens, hundreds, 342. In ones place 2 beats, tens place 4 beats, 100 place 3 beats. So if this is not there, then also we can give answer. This is 342. Understood? So till now in class 1 we read about double digits number. These are 3 digits number. So 3 digits number will move till 999. Like 99 is the biggest number in 2 digit number. So 999 is the largest number. Like 99 is the largest 2 digit number. So 999 is the largest 3 digit number. Now your today work is what? Your today work is just to write the names of the following numbers. So you have to write in words. 133. See, ones, tens, 100. 133. So you have to write 133. Okay. Now suppose this is 608. Ones, tens, 100. So 608. So we'll write 608. Okay, like this you have to complete this number names or number in words. In the same way, see here, numbers in words it is given and we have to write in figures. Ones, tens, hundreds. See, this column is given. So 238. So 200 place 30, in the tens place 3 and 8. 238. And suppose it is 913. 913. So 913. Okay. 705. So 7 is there and in one place 5 is there, but nothing is given about the tens place. So what you will do? 705. So 705. Okay. In the same way you have to write this numbers in figures. Now you will do this counting. This counting is 101 to 200. This is very easy. Like you write 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same way you have to complete this table. Okay. This is your home assignment. Next page will start in our next class. So what you have to do? You have to go through this exercise again and you have to complete this. So what we will do? You will write here your homework or classwork, whatever you want to write, as we have done in class also. And here you will give the date. So today is 23/04/20 and this we have done, this whole we have done in our class. So you write here classwork and 23/04/20. So I hope you all have understood this very well. Like double digit number, this is our 3 digit number. So do your homework. See you in our next class. Complete your homework. Bye bye and take care.